Okay. Giant, tell to others also use this link only, whatever I have sent recently. That's all. We'll start. Okay. Before starting, how was the lab exams? IA test.
Good, sir.
How was the lab test? Hmm?
Good, good, sir.
Good. Uh, what Ravi Shankar?
Good, sir.
Hmm. Good. No, so no strain, nothing. No need to come to college. No need to travel. Happily you have completed. Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So my suggestion is, my feedback is, some people struggle to explain the program. That is what one. The drawback is many people they have not attended the classes properly. That is another drawback. So some people okay. Some people they have not explained properly. They have not answered properly. So that you have to rectify the error and you have to write the next examination. Okay. So now we'll go for the fifth unit again as usual syllabus. So previous class in fifth unit. So we told we had discussed about the enumerated data types and how to use that one, different data types, and boxing how to use, unboxing how to use for different data types, how to utilize, we have told. In this, three chapters are available in fifth unit, and first chapter last topic is annotations. Annotations is nothing but the metadata. So in Java is there, you have one more option that is nothing but they've added to enables you to embedded supplementary information into your source file. So in a source file also you can embed it. So you can give the connections one to another. So embedding can be done. That is what the metadata annotations. So now let us see the syntax here, how it will works. See here the syntax is nothing but like this one also it will work like interface. So metadata is nothing but the term metadata is also used to refer to this feature, but the term annotations is the most descriptive and more commonly used in Java. So now let us see this one, annotations basics. So this is created through mechanism based on the interface. So interfaces have it have written the similar way we are also implementing this also. Now let us see one example with syntax how it will be working. The first one is my I know. Suppose if you write the class name like this, so how to write it? A simple annotation type is nothing but at interface. So previously interface how you have written interface name, but here at interface and class name you have to write it. And here we have taken the two names. One is called the string str, another one is called the int value. Two methods we have taken here. Now how to write is nothing but annotations or metadata. So this is the way of writing the syntax. Whatever I have bolded, so this is what the syntax. Now let us see one by one what it does this. So first one, note that at precedings the keyword interface. That is what the first one is nothing but the keyword interface. At is nothing but the. So now this is nothing but it tells the compiler that annotation types is being declared. So how compiler will be identifying is nothing but once you declare interface at interface, once you declare that, so it will be giving like that. That is what the compiler will be, how it will be identifying, that is annotations at symbol, and you will be writing the interface. Next will be the class name. Now let us see inside what it is there. Next, note that the two members, one is called str and another one is called val. So two methods we have taken. First one is called the string data type, another one is called the integer data types. All notions consider solely of the method declarations. However, you don't provide the bodies for the methods. So here no need to declare any body for this, like interfaces only. So how we have done there, interface name. So methods what are all you are using, public, return type, and the function names or method names you have done it. The similarly here also you will be declaring only methods and body will not be writing here. So the same way here also. Like fields, now we'll see how it will be writing. So method how to write it is nothing but at my annos str is equal to, so this is the value of writing the, suppose if you want to display something, so you can write annotations examples. So that is nothing but the value is equal to 100. Now public static void main my text and the source code you will be writing like this. So this is the way of writing. The syntax is nothing but what? At interface name open bracket. Another one is called the return type method name and so on. So here is no need to write any code. So now let us see one example how it will be working this one. So now this is another theory, no problem, just for understanding purpose of written. Next one is the way of runtime. Here is nothing but what will happen. The following version my anno uses at retention to specify the runtime retention the policies. Thus, my anno will be available to the JVM during the program execution. So at a retention policy runtime at interface my demo. So this is what the policies they made when it is executing. So next one is nothing but the at interface my anno, that is nothing but the class name open bracket close bracket. So this is the way of writing this one, and this one is nothing but how it will be running the programs. Now here is what packages you need to download for this. So java.language.reflect. So how to define java.lang.reflect package you have to download. So here is, you know that class is one of the Java built-in classes and it is defined in java.language. So in the Java language, so reflect you have to download it. So that is what you have to do it. Now the return type, how it will be working, this method is nothing but you have to write the get method, get field and get constructor, how it will be working. Once again we will discuss in the program. So now the method is nothing but method, get method, string name will be there, class, program types. So this is the way of writing the method and it will be returning these values. So this is what the way of writing. Now let us go for one example program. How it will be working, we'll see. So as I told you already, what packages is required? There is nothing but the java.language.notions.star. So that is import, you have to do it notions. Another one is called java.language.reflect and star. So from this, what are the methods or all these things it will be importing. Now so syntax is already we have decided. So this is nothing but the second one is nothing but the way of defining the interface, and runtime linking purpose, this one will be declaring first one. So now let us see how it will be working at retention policies of the runtime. So this is the policies of this one. Another one is called the way of declaration is nothing but at interface my anu. Next one is string str int value. So these are all the two methods, whatever we have previously explained, we'll use that one. Now how to write that one, we'll see it now. Now you'll be using class meta. So how to define innovative method is nothing but at my anno, that is nothing but this name interface name you have to write it. And this already we have told the syntax how to write it. Str is equal to string name. So two parameters I told you how it will be returning. So the first parameter is nothing but this one, and second parameter is nothing but the second one. So first parameter, how to write it? So str is equal to innovation example, that is nothing but the string we are passing. Another one is nothing but the value is nothing but 100 we are passing. So as we had discussed earlier, so no need to write any method here. So this one will be writing next. So when you are writing here method, you have to write it this. That is nothing but the interface. How you will be defining is nothing but here at my no. So two parameters is required. So one is called the string, another one is called the value. String we are passing is nothing but innovation example. Value is nothing but 100. Now public static void method will be writing my meta. So my meta, how we will be writing is nothing but meta. We are creating the object here. Meta ob is equal to new meta. So now here is we have applied try and catch method. So now this is nothing but obtain the annotations for this method. So for this method, we will be writing the annotations and display the values of the members. So here is two values we'll be considering. One is nothing but the how you will be getting the animations from the method. Another one is nothing but the how you will be displaying the value. So now let us see how to write that code. Right. So here is class C is equal to try within the try and catch method we have written. So try catch, you know how to utilize it. That I hope no need to tell it. So first one is nothing but the get class object the representations. That's what I told you. Get class and get method and the constructor. How it will be working? How to create that one? We'll see it one. So now create the object for the class C is equal to ob.get class. So object will be created for the get class. That is nothing but the this one. Now you get the method object that represents this method. How you will be representing that method is nothing but method m is equal to c.get method my meta. So will be representing the methods for this. That is nothing but the c.get data my method. Next one is nothing but animations for this is nothing but class dot my anu is nothing but my get animation of the my anu class. So my anu class is nothing but this one. So interface name is nothing but my anu. So here is the extra things we have to write it. One is creating the for class. So normally Java will be creating a class object name is equal to new class of that one. So parameters when you are passing parameter constructor, all these things we have done it. But here is bit different in this. So the difference is nothing but here how it will be working is nothing but you have to write the two things. One is nothing but the class C is equal to ob.get class. Another one is nothing but the method m is equal to c is equal to get method. That is nothing but the my method. So this is the three steps you need to remember in innovations. So method m is equal to c dot get method. You are passing one is called the parameter, and another one is called the creating the object. Another one is nothing but the get innovations link between the two things. That is the reason we'll be writing this one runtime, giving the Java JVM, giving the link between the program and the interfaces. Now let us go for this one. So once it is done this innovations, now finally display the values. So system.out.println anu of str. So anu of str, two values already I told you to pass it. That is nothing but the string values you have to pass it. So that is nothing but the anu.str. So str is nothing but so string. So you concatenating this anu dot value. So value is nothing but we are passing. I hope somewhere here 100 you are passing. That is what that one. Now catch no method exception. Suppose that methods are not available. So system.out.println method not found. So once it is done, public static void main string arguments my meta function you are calling. Once you call this one, what will happen? So when because of this, it will be innovation examples value is equal to 100. So that values will be printing here. Innovation example, that is nothing but the 100. So whatever you are passing the value, so that values will be printing. That is what the way of linking. So here is system.out.println. Anu.str is nothing but the string function is nothing but so innovation example, and anu.value. So this anu.value is nothing but 100. So that is what the this statement, this one. So this statement, how it will be working, that is nothing but the first one is nothing but the string value. The string value is string is nothing but whatever you are passing the values, that is nothing but the innovation examples. So another one is nothing but another value is nothing but value whatever you are passing here. So value is equal to 100 somewhere you are passing, that it will be working the 100 here. So this is what the way of working the metadata or annotations. So here is we have to learn the syntax, how it will be working. Two syntaxes we have to do it. One is called the @interface and the name for the interface name. Another one is the you have to give the link between the program and Java Virtual Machine, that is nothing but @retention and retention policy, comma runtime. So this one will be giving the link between the program and the dot class name and the virtual machine. This one. So that is what the way of giving the link. So Java Virtual Machine, it will give the link for the class file. So that is what the first statement, and the second statement is nothing but you know the syntax, how to write it, this one. So that is nothing but the string str and int val. So example for the 100. So this is what the way of working the program. So now let us see the other one here. Class C is equal to, here is this program reflections describe the obtain and display the values of str and value in the my annotations. So in this function, these are all the two values are displayed. So now how to write it is nothing but my anu is nothing but m dot get annotations my anno class. So class C is equal to meta class. So here is this is the two things already I have told you, this one system.out.println anu str plus str. Notice that they're invoked using the method called syntax. This same approaches is used whenever the value of the innovation member is required. So this one, whenever it is required, that value will be working. So this already we have used, and already I told you how it will be working. So now second reflection of the example is nothing but, now here is, let us see the one more example how it will be working the similar fashion. Now you know that how to import the package. Import java.language annotations.star. Another one is called the import java.language.reflect. So now you know this, giving the link between the class and the system virtual machines. So @retention. Another one is called the interface name. Same functions we have used what all we have used the previous program. String str. Another one is called the int value we have used. This is the way of declaration. Now go for the writing the get method. So you know that method way of writing is nothing but my str is equal to two parameters, value is equal to 19. So whatever we have used the previous one, the same way we have defined it here also. Now what we have done is public static void main string arguments, string str, my method is one static void method. So two parameters you need to pass it. So previously directly we are passing the values, but here string str int I. So now we'll go for meta, ob is equal to new meta. So now creating the try, class C is equal to ob.get class. So this all these things we have written into the previous program method. Now here we are writing bit differently here. So method m is equal to c.get method. So my method, that is nothing but the string class. So another one is called the int class. So directly the syntax, how it will be working, we have written it here. The previous program we have written it bit differently. That's it. So now my anu is equal to object name dot get annotations of the myano.class. So here is directly we are using the class name itself. So next one is system.out.println anu.str, this object name.str plus int value. See now the previous program what we have done here. System.out.println finally displays the values purpose we are calling this one. So here what will happen, the directly anu.str plus this one. So we have passed the parameter here separately, but here we have written the bit differently here. So here directly we have written the code, but here what happened, my text. So we have created the object for the get method also separately. There directly we have written, here we have written the code separately for this also. Next is my anu. So one more get innovations for the anu.class. So get method, next is the get class. This is the way of working the program. So first one is called, you have to call the method, next one is the call the class. Next one is nothing but system.out.println, whatever you have used there, anu.str and anu.value. So catch is nothing but suppose if something goes wrong, catch will be executing. Now public static void main string argument, my method test comma 10 we are passing, but the output from the shown version is nothing but, so we are passing the two parameters. So here is we have written one code, so string 1 and 19. So we are passing the, when you are calling the function for the string, see here is the value you are passing test and 10, two values you are passing, but it will invoke this one only. So there is nothing but the two parameters is nothing but this one, and value will be displaying 19. So this values, whatever you have given the link interface you have written, that code will be writing here. So that code will be coming here, coming into the picture. That is the reason 10 and this one is not coming into the picture. The output form of the version is shown as two parameters, that is called the 19. So in this version, what will happen? My takes the strings and into an integer parameters. So to obtain the information about this method, get method must be called as shown here. So method on c.get method, my take string.class int.class. So here the class is representing the string and int or the parameters additional arguments. So this is what the way of working the programs. So two different ways can be written. Any one program you have to read it. So this is what the method, like this many examples are available. So these are all the two things we need to remember it. So at interface and how to write the interface methods, we know that. So method of the code you will be writing the outside. So for this you have to import java.language innovations.star. So another one is called the import java.language reflect.star. So this is what the you need to remember for the notions or metadata for the in this unit. So in Java program interface, one more interface. So that is what the embedding will say, embedding between the one to another. So you can give the link also between interfaces and the programs. So how you are passing the parameters. So here is bit syntax is bit different. So that you need to practice it. Then only you can be able to write it in the examinations. So previous classes in this one easy a way of writing also, because we have taken the enumerated data types. So how it will be working, the way of different values we have assigned with constructor, without constructor, parameter passing, how will be all these things, all models we have done it. But another one is called the boxing and unboxing also we have done it. So that one is not that much differently like whatever we have learned basic Java, but here is bit different interfaces way of writing, bit in the object. When you are calling the, whenever you are creating the object, so you have to two parameters is required. One is called the string, another one is called the integer, that you should know how to pass it. Next is nothing but the creating the link between the Java Virtual Vision, creating the link between the Java class and the compiler. So runtime compiler. So for that we have to write it separately for run class. Another one is nothing but the system.out.println. These two values you have to display it. So when you are trying to display this, what are the parameters you have passed, whatever you have written for the link interfaces, that values will be printed. So that is what the way of working the program. So now second reflection example also we will take. So now see here how it will be working. So at retention, this is nothing but the same interface my anu. So string two functions, same thing we have taken class menu. So one is called the string, one is called the integer values. This is two things will be there. My at anu str is equal to two parameters, value is equal to 19. So another one is nothing but the public static void main my on. So these two parameters is required. So another one is called the creating the object for the meta here. So now try class C is equal to ob.get class. We are taking creating the object for the annotations, and method m is equal to c.get data. So this one is nothing but the c.get method. So this is nothing but the creating the object, giving the link for the class. So giving link class is nothing but c.get method. So my take string dot class and int class. So this is the giving the link in this program. So once you do this, next go for the using this object, you try to display that one. System.out.println anu.str, that is nothing but the string, whatever you are passing that one. And another one is called the what are the return the values there. So here is two parameters, value is 19. So now catch no exception. So suppose if try is not working, it will go for the catch. So method not found, it will become. Suppose if this is method says bit different. Now public static void main. So that is nothing but the my test 10. So two parameters this one. So that is what the another program for this. Next one is this is one more program. So this is next line. Right. So here is same way of writing, but here is we have taken two parameters. You see, previously we have seen with one parameter. Now we have taken two parameters, two values, how to pass it, two parameters. So first one is what string is description we have taken, giving the link for the interface. Second one is what description and innovations the test class. So here is interface what we have taken. This one is nothing but the another one. So class meta2 is equal to at what description. Description is nothing but string this one. So two interfaces we have written separately. This is one and this is one. And when you are writing this one is description is equal to string we have written an innovation test method. And another value is nothing but the string parameters, two parameters you need to pass it. One is called the string and one is called the value. So at my anu is nothing but str is equal to test. This is called the string and value is equal to 100. Now public static void main meta2 is equal to for this and new metadata of 2. So now create the object for the innovations. So for this class creating the object for this one. So directly we can write it here innovation array. So ob.get class and get innovations. So that means what we can use arrays also in this. Now for innovations of this one system.out.println of a. So that is nothing but what first one is meta2 99. Another one is nothing but the testing 100. So two values also we can print it here. So display all the values for the method m is equal to ob.get class, get method is equal to my make. So here is nothing but the get anonymous. So another one is nothing but the system.out.println all innovations for the method, and here is system.out.println a. We are using the array and you will be displaying the all arrays. So see here the output what will happen. So twice we are printing. First one is nothing but the all animations for the meta2 at what description is equal to my n of the test class, and at my anu is nothing but the string is nothing but meta2 value is equal to 99. So value is equal to 99 this one. So this is separately you are printing first value, and the second value is nothing but because you are using in the loop. So all innovations of our MyTech. So at what description is equal to an innovation test method at MyTest str is equal to second one is nothing but the testing value is equal to 100. So here is you can see here the first one is nothing but this one meta 2 99 values. My innovation of the test class when you are executing the first object. When it is executing the second one, second parameter, and innovations of the test method, so here is value is equal to 100. So that's what here also we have written it here. All innovations for the meta 2. Another one is called the MyTech. So name also we have written it here. So name is nothing but the first one is nothing but test class and test method. So that is what here also we have written it. First class is nothing but the meta 2. Second one is called the MyMac. So at descriptions. So these are all the two values, how to use get method and the how to get the class in this one. So this is what the way of giving the embedding in Java also. So how to write it is nothing but syntaxes you need to learn it. One is called the at interface name and open bracket, and you know how to write the methods. So here we have taken two methods. One is called the string, another one is called the int value. Now already I have told you when you are creating the object how to write the syntaxes also. The first parameter is passing the string value, second one is passing the integer values. So based on that we have seen 2 to 3 different examples how it will be working. So this is what the innovations methods. So interfaces, how to write it also, we have done it. So only thing is in this one is nothing but at interface, you have to remember it. So previously you have learned it, only interface name, and you will be writing the method names inside. But here is bit different. So for that code, methods code you will be writing outside here also. So that I told you how to write it. So we have taken for one parameter, and another one is nothing but to more than one. How to use arrays also I have told you. So if you have more parameters or more data, you can use arrays and you can utilize it. One or two means directly you can create the object and give the link to the class. So that is what the way of writing. Suppose if you write the default values, this is what I have shown here, and the default values, testing values, the previous program explanation and whatever I have explained, that only here. This is what the marker notions, marker also is there. There is also same thing. So same packages, you need to download it. So two packages you need to download, that one only. Now how to write it is nothing but the different name, runtime, marker. So interface also, I told you how to write it. So at relation policies and runtime. So this is nothing but the link. This is nothing but the interface name, and this is nothing but the class name. So how to write it is nothing but needed this. Noted this is nothing but needed at market. So this is nothing but the same line. Now it is changed the code. Okay, no problem. I'll change it later and I'll do it. So method on is equal to ob.get class and get method. So directly instead of writing two lines, we can write it in the same also. Get class and get method also. So present is nothing but determine the innovations of the present is nothing but if M1 is innovation present, my marker class system.out.println directly we are using. So here is the output will be my marker is present. So this one is system.out.println my marker is present. So here also this is one more example program the way of writing. So this is what this one. Next class we will see the networking with java.net. Networking with java.net. Next class we'll see that one, how it will be working. So in that one you have network fundamentals. So another one is networking classes and the interfaces. So another one is called the internet addresses. So how to create the socket and the URL, how to utilize that one. We'll see one or two programs how it will be working in this also. So second module is this one. Okay. Shall we stop the class?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.